My friend is Anđelija. She is 13 years old. She is very interesting. She lives in Novo Naselje in Valjevo. She goes to Desanka Maksimović Primary School. I love her because she is interesting. She usually visits me. When she visits me, we laugh. She has a brother. Her brother's name is Ivan. Ivan is taller than Anja. He is 15 years old. He goes to technical school in Valjevo. Anja goes to acting classes. She knows many of our actors, for example, Katarina Vicentijević and Katarina Radivojević. She acted in play Balada o Jakiju. She goes to a ballet club. Her ballet club is the champion of Serbia. Anja is very talented for ballet. She goes to seaside every year. She loves going to swimming pool with her friend. In her free time, she loves to play volleyball. In winter, she goes to mountain Zlatibor. In summer, she likes to wear t-shirt and skirt. She loves to wear dresses too. In winter, she loves to wear a jacket, jumper and jeans. She is my friend and I love her very much. How old is she? Tanya?
She is 13 years old.
How old is her mom?
Her mom old 36 years.
What she loves to wear in winter?
She loves wearing in winter jacket and jumper.
What she doing in her free time?
What does she do in her free time? Yes.
In her free time, she plays volleyball.
Do you have any questions for me?
No. Yes, Uroš?
Where she was born?
She was born in hospital in Valjevo.
Okay, thank you.